and here CSS border our topic today. Okay, CSS border means we will use the border is a property that defines the outline of an element. Okay, of an element. It surrounds the padding and content area of an element. Okay, so here this will be call it as the border. How the syntax will be happens, and you can take here the selector one and any selector. How we have the selectors, that is element selector, class selector, id selectors, like that you can define any selector here. Okay, any selector here you can define. After that you can use the border name and the property name. So the property name like a width, okay, a width and a style and color. So like this you need to define as a border one, so it will be ended. So this is the one of the borders. So we have the types of borders here, that will be, I'll tell you types of borders. That is none. First we have the, suppose the border should not visible on the website, so in that purpose we will use this property. And here solid and dotted and dashed, next double, next groove we will use. Okay, next rich, next insert, next outset. Okay, so these borders we will have in real time also we will use. And here the groove means we will use here groove and rich and insert and outset. This we will use for this, we will use for 2D purpose. Okay, 2D purpose we will use. So or else 2D purpose, no 3D purpose we will use this borders as well in CSS. Okay, so already we have created one folder and a desktop, right? So open front end and open CSS. This is nested folder we call it as, and here type cmd. So the shortcut key for open the command prompt, and here you can type code space dot enter. So what happened, the particular folder has to be open in your Visual Studio Code. And here open the file one and border dot html. I have created one file, and here title we need to set here, that will be CSS border style, CSS border style here. And after that we need to use link here, link rel means that is the attribute, and we have to take the style sheet here ref href, and the href we need to create the referral file here. Okay, that will be borders.css here. Okay, and after that we need to create here itself. This is the one way to create CSS file, or else you can type the manually thing here. Okay, so here we need to write using the div. It is nothing but what? Div it is nothing but one container. So class, I'm writing here, I'm taking the class, this is the box one, and border, the class name I'm taking class name I'm taking like what means for reference purpose directly I'm taking here. Okay, next what we need, same, first none. Next I need to take class here, box border, here solid. Okay, so solid div class, same thing here, the border dotted. Okay, border dotted, and here dotted, and div class border, box border I'm taking. Okay, so border here I'm taking now dashed. Okay, dashed double. Okay, next div class box border. Next what we have, double, I think. Okay, double, and after double already we have created double, so sorry, here dashed actually. This one is double, this is dashed. Okay, and div class box border groove. Here we need to take groove. Okay, and after that div class box border rich. Okay, this is used for what? This is used for actually 3D color. Okay, class div class box border insert. Okay, insert, here we need to take insert div class box border outset. So here we will take outset. Okay, so we can use open in default browser. We didn't apply any CSS here. So what happened here, it is statically seeing, it is we don't have applied, so the UI will not good here. So we need to apply some CSS here. Okay, so already we have created one CSS file here. So take one, we need to set first body. So this is called element selector. So element selector I will use first font family, Arial color I will use. Okay, so we will see what happens here. Refresh this browser. So some slightly changes on a text. So inspect for checking UI. So click on body, already I have applied for body. So here we need to take display what display flex here. Okay, so it is happen some like that. After that flex direction we will use, flex direction. Okay, flex direction we will take column wise. Okay, column wise. Okay, after that I am taking align items, the align items center. Okay, align items center. After that, gap I need to take. Okay, gap I need to take 20 pixel as well here. And after that, padding 50 pixel. Okay, so what happens here? So copy this entire one. So go to your Visual Studio Code and apply here. What happens here? All the things is happens like this, and after that we need to take a box. Already we have applied the box, right? For that you can use a class indicates dot. Okay, so I'm setting first weight here 200 pixels. Okay, so go here and apply one here. Height 100 pixels and display flex and justify content center, and after that align items center. Okay, next text align is also center, and next margin 10 pixels, and after that I'm setting one font weight I will set. Okay, font weight bold. Okay, so copy this one, copy this entire one, and paste here. Paste one here. Okay, here what happens, for just checking purpose we are using developer tool. Okay, after that I need to set the colors for border properties. Okay, next we need to take dot border. Already we have applied there, right? So that will be solid, no, border none. Okay, first none means what happened there? None means we didn't apply any border. If suppose border is there, it will not use. None. Black, the named color I will use. Okay, next dot border, the same thing. Dot border solid. Dot border solid means here the border 2 pixel solid blue I am taking here. Okay, so I will use color here. The text color I will take the text color black. Okay, here I am taking the text color also here. Here color I am taking means here the text color will happen. Okay, so we will see what happens here. See here, none, it will not present anything. So border, the solid border has to be presented here, right? So after that we need to take dot border dot border dotted, after that border here we need to take 2 pixel, and next dotted, okay, dotted green I will take, the name and color I am taking here. Okay, so after that color black. Okay, so we will see dotted one will present here. So see here the dotted one is presented, right? So suppose I will take red. So see here the dotted one is presented. So after that dashed. Okay, so here border dashed so here directly you can use border 2 pixel dashed. I will take same red here. Okay, so see here dashed one is presented here. So after that double we need to take. Okay, border double border we need to apply 4 pixel border. Just a second. Here we need to use the class name, so the property name double. So double, the color will I'll use navy. Okay, so dot border groove, so I need to give border 4 pixel groove sky blue. Okay, so we will see here the groove means the 2 shaded part will be present there. Okay, so black I'm taking here. So see here the groove is 2 shaded part is presented here, right? So like that the 3D colors has to be presented. So here I'll show you, and wait a second. So see here 2 shaded parts, right? So this is called 3D color 1. Okay, so here next one the ridge. So here also same thing, you need to apply dot border ridge border 4 pixel ridge. I will take, this is also navy. Okay, so color black. So here see ridge is not, I will apply light green. Okay, light green. So we will observe here the color shade. So see here, here groovy means what happens, this up line is presented here, ridge means down the line will present here. Okay, so after that border inset. Okay, so border 4 pixel insert gray. Okay, just light colors I'm applying, and here outset, border outset. Okay, border 4 pixel outset orange. So what happens here, some shaded part will be presented there. So this is all about borders. Okay, is it